Make a great choice today with the 2007 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, bucket seats, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, front bucket seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.